As I said, guys, we ended last vlog and now we're starting this brand new one. I'm out here with my boy Frank. He's looking pretty cold because it is like 18 degrees right now, but it feels very good. No wind, no nothing, so we're chilling. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning. No, 11 o'clock p.m. We still got 2,000 miles and we're gonna get out of here because we finished pumping up some gas in the whip and the little Nissan that could, man. After all its struggles, it actually is doing its job. So let's get in because I'm fucking brick.
Having like communication between themselves and shit. Like, yo, what the fuck? One nigga's like, yo, we checked it. The other nigga's like, nah.
We got the strawberry Fanta right there.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, did you bag the machine's number? Huh? No. Chill. Rolling. Those are winner's break.
I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning, I'm drowning. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch, I'm drowning.
Another fucking toll. Cash, boy.
Cash, because we don't got easy pass out here. Not it. Talking shit?
Yeah, I'm talking shit.
How much? 5?
Yeah. Might as well, because Manny's crying over there. Yo, bro.
Yo.
Can't you come inside the car and still control
What?
it? Can't you come inside the car and still control it?
Yeah.
Alright, so get the fuck in.
And that's what I'm about to do. Hold up.
You're gonna have to switch anyway, man.
I'm switching. Oh, look, he's like. You guys popped on. Because this is Chicago, boy. Yo, I'm hungry, yo. Feed me some snacks. Did you hurt? Did you hurt? Fuck. You think Uber Eats deliver right now? Jokes.
Nigga, I'm telling you to GPS this shit. You don't wanna.
Word, I was doing that before I came here. I wonder if he's ever gonna come in. Oh, you came in. What up, bro? This nigga. Nah, he's too worried about his drone.
Wow. We had no memory card. I left it in the fucking bag.
Wow.
I thought I was prepared.
Wow.
I'm gonna put it in for next time though.
Yo, can you charge my phone?
I still
My
want
phone
my
just
deep
died.
dish pizza, yo.
Yeah.
Yo, you need like a Twitter where you could be like, yo, guys, I'm in Chicago right now. Where's the best spot to get a pizza? And man, niggas answer like, yo, what up, what up? Yo, I'm hungry. What the fuck?
Chicago looks exactly like Roosevelt. What's up, Frank?
Yo, what up?
How you holding up there?
I'm chilling, you know.
Frank just got into driving position. I finished my time of driving, and now it's his turn.
Turn left on.
We're at Wisconsin, a full day of roading into our road trip, and we're almost there. All we need is like, I think Minnesota and Wyoming and Montana, something like that. Right, Manny? That's all we need. Manny's mad tired, yo. We gotta stop by a state trooper like in fucking Wisconsin. And I think we're still in Wisconsin, but
This is why you can't take Kazi nowhere, boy. So Kazi was the last one to fill it up. This nigga did a half-ass job. And guess what he lost? He lost the cap for the fucking fuel. What a hobo. You definitely paying for that. Definitely paying for one of new of those.
here, fuck Minnesota. We're having slippery ass roads, but we're on our way to North Dakota, and we should be at Cheese Crib in the next, what, 20 hours, Frank?
Yeah, like around 5-ish, you get there, 5 in the morning.
6 a.m.
Like around there.
7.
Around 6 a.m.
You better get ready, because we're gonna start drinking right there and then, boy.
be at work.
Dakota, here
North Dakota out here. What the dinosaurs at?
Huh?
We out here, made it to North Dakota, first part of the trip. Nah, man.
Damn.
Still got 23 states to go. Woo! We made it to North Dakota, and it's snowing in North Dakota. What the fuck, guys? But we only have 2 states to go. I think it's Montana and then Seattle, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. But we're in North Dakota right now. We got stuck in this snowstorm, and as you can see, it's like mad crazy out here because I can't see shit while I'm driving. But yeah, it's actually falling down on us mad hard right now, and it actually feels good though because like we've been in a hot ass car for mad long, so that's why. But anyways, you guys are gonna go back in the car because my hands are freezing.
We're in the middle of a snowstorm.
Kazi's doing 100 in the middle of a snowstorm.
I tell him like, yo, careful, because we can't see nothing over like 10 feet in front of you. He's like, nah, we valid.
He's about to get the foot.
Ah, la migra, la migra.
That's Manny right there.
Like, I got papers. Watch your mouth.
No, my mule clean, you heard?
North Dakota has been treating us very well lately. I mean, look, as you guys can see, nothing at all for the next 100 fucking miles.
The pioneers used to do these.
On horsebacks. Horsebacks and chivalry.
With G on the phone? G.
We got my nigga G on the other line. Already in Seattle. That's who we're racing to get right now. We're hitting a $150 right now.
What you like?
Imagine.
Damn, but look at the roads.
Yeah, the roads are mad crazy. All that snow just goes over the fucking roads.
Yeah, it don't even stick to the road somehow. Just flows right over and like, whoop.
You can barely see like.
And it makes it like a fog type shit.
Yeah, snow doesn't stick out here. It just floats. 10. Yo, we're in negative 10 conditions.
No, it's not.
Look at it. See, negative 10. Outside, negative 10.
Yo, catch that, Frank, catch that.
Celsius.
Check.
Celsius.
Are you?
How many hours you drove already, Kazi?
Since 8 o'clock in the morning.
8. What time is it now? 3.
4.
It's 3:20.
Oh, 3:20. You can't forget the time difference though,
Oh yeah.
and daylight savings.
Oh yeah. I know. Once I get to Seattle, be eating some ramen. You heard?
Hey, he invited. Say no more.
Nigga said, hey, he invited. Say
He's
no
bugging.
more.
He's bugging. The guy right here is bugging. This guy right here eating the mango. He's bugging out. This fucking amazing. That should look good. This nigga.
How you like your mangoes?
I like him ripe. I like him ripe. I ain't it hard way.
Just like.
Yup. Suck that shit. Let's get
Oh.
Look.
Get in the shot. Don't want to admit it.
It's fucking 10 degrees. This thing is bugging, bro.
Word. Oh, fuck. It was taking forever.
Huh?
It was taking so long. All brand new tires. Hey, doing their job. I'll miss the takeoff. You're gonna get nice Are you trying to make it follow us?
Follow us?
Just down the road.
That road?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, get in. Okay, Jones over there. You guys can't see it. Oh, too bad. Alright, so Manny, you're in charge of the footy.
Where you going? You going backwards?
No.
So where we going?
This ain't Mexico, right? Oh, fuck. I got you. Color? Oh, chill. There you go. Hi.
Okay, okay. Alright, sorry about that. We're not from around here, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, okay.
Appreciate it. Thank you. You too.
But you fucking idiots want to go, I just stop right here and fly the drone. Look at that. Look at that.
This is the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed, like, comment, favorite, subscribe. I'm trying to be a little low because Frank's sleeping. I didn't know this was gonna be 3 parts because I thought it was gonna like be only 2 parts, but it's 3 parts. First part was from New York to Indiana. This part is from Indiana to North Dakota, and the next part is from North Dakota to Seattle. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I'm out. Peace.